Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with DeepSeek AI and Google Books. First, sign up for Google Books Partner. It's free. Choose self-publisher author, skip unnecessary fields and verify your account. Head to your dashboard and set up payment. This is where the money lands. Step 2. Generate your ebook with DeepSeek AI. Typing prompt, create a 20-page ebook on using DeepSeek for entrepreneurs. DeepSeek is a GPT-4 rival and it's free. Paste the output into Google Docs, delete hashtags and format. Pro tip, ask DeepSeek to write a one-sentence disclaimer, crucial for compliance. Step 3. Design image and cover. Spice up your ebook with visuals. Use Leonardo.ai for eye-catching images. Need a cover? Type how to use DeepSeek for entrepreneurs. Book cover. Download the best one. Step 4. Upload to Google Books. Set your price $15 plus. Upload the PDF and cover. Pick artificial intelligence as the genre and hit publish. Boom. Your ebook is live in 75 countries. SEOwritingassistant.com. Typing ebook title into the tool. Use SEO Writing Assistant to craft a blog post. Set readability to 6th grade. Connect to the web and generate. Post it on Medium or your blog. Watch sales rolling. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.